All right, guys, welcome back. So this week we are going to be using a new tool called Labster. We applied for this and we got accepted. So it's going to have virtual labs. We're probably going to use this a few times before the end of the year. So when you are ready to do that, you will go into the Respiration Lab here. It won't say draft. These are all just waiting to be posted. And there's going to be an instruction video, which I'm recording right now, and then you're going to complete the lab activities. So you're going to have a link here. So when you click this link, it will load up Labster. Now it's going to have you sign in with a Google account because I've already signed in. It remembers me. Now this does not have to be your school Google account. It can be any Google account. All right, so whichever one makes your heart happy, pick that one. Once you are in, you're going to scroll down, and it should already have biology selected. And you can do one of two things. You can either search for respiration in this line, or you can scroll down and it is right here. Cellular respiration principles, measure energy consumption during exercise. Okay, so this is the one you're going to click on. So once you click, you'll hit play simulation and it will load up the simulation. Now, the simulation does take a little bit to load and it does stall out about 25%. It took about 3 minutes the first time for me to get it loaded. So just be patient. If you need to go get a drink or, get a cup of coffee or whatever makes your heart happy, take a bathroom break, that's a good time to do it. Once it loads, it is going to look like this, and you're going to be able to hit start. Okay, maybe, there we go. All right, so once you're in, the little robot's going to talk for a minute, and then it's going to bring up your lap pad, which is where you can interact with, obviously the computer itself. So it's going to tell you a little bit about the audio.
Using the lap pad is an important way to get the most out of the simulation.
So it should be the first time. So you're going to hit yes, please walk me through the features of this lab pad. It's fairly short. It just kind of shows you how to use the interface. Because I've already used it, I'm going to hit no thanks. Okay. So I just want you guys to see here that you can kind of move around. Okay, you can interact with things. It's going to take you to the one thing you will notice a lot of times is things you need to interact with will be lighting up, or there will be arrows pointing right, telling you which direction. But you can kind of, look around and move around in the space a little bit. I don't know how much you can move around the basketball court, but I know I can pick up the sample box and move on. I'm going to pause this, and then we are going to continue with what you need. All right, so hopefully you know how to navigate through the actual system now. When you finish, it is going to give you a screen like this. It's going to say simulation complete. It'll give your score. It will give me a time, which will do a variety of things. So it'll kind of tell me how long it took you to complete it, and if you have the same exact time and score as somebody else that I know you work with, I might question whether or not you use the same screenshot. So make sure you're using your own screenshot, okay? This whole simulation, when I played through it, took me about 20 minutes. So it might take you a few minutes longer, but I did go through and read everything. It should not take you too terribly long. If you have any trouble, definitely reach out. I am here to help. But this is what you're submitting. So this is a file. I have saved it on my desktop. So let's go back over to Google Classroom and I'll show you how to submit it. All right, so we're just going to pretend that this is the correct assignment. Obviously it's not, but they're set up the same way. So to submit it, all you're going to do is hit add or create. You can go from your Google Drive, a link, a file. More than likely you're going to be using Google Drive or file, or a doc if you put it in a doc. So mine is a file from my computer. I'm going to select files from my device. It is on my desktop, and yeah, there we go. Where is it? Not right there. So once I select it, I'm just going to upload. And you can see resplab.png, that's my image. You can see the image there, there's a little preview, and I'm going to turn in. All right, so hopefully that helped. If you have any questions or if you have any trouble, definitely reach out to me. I'm here to help. The simulation doesn't require Flash, it is completely web-based, so you should not have any difficulty with actually running it on your computer because you're not running anything. It's all running in the browser. It does work best with Google Chrome though, so if you have Chrome, please use it. Thank you. Have a good day.